Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to disable Bitdefender. So let's have a look now. At first, open Bitdefender and go to Protection from the left sidebar. Navigate to Real-Time Protection. Click on Advanced, then toggle off this choice, and it will disable Bitdefender. Choose the time and click on OK. Now return to Protection and open Advanced Threat Defense. Click Settings and toggle the switch off. It will permanently disable Bitdefender. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.